Hi friends, hope you all doing well. Welcome to my new video. First of all, I would like to thank you all of your support and take time to watch my videos. Please continue to support my channel. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for more videos and also press the bell icon. In this video, I am going to show you my recent photography at Bishan Mo Kio Park in Singapore. In this season, we have one very beautiful, very rare visitor in Singapore. The name is called cotton pygmy goose. This is very rare migrant. When I reached at the park, so there was a lot of bird photographers taking the picture of the bird. So it was really helped me to spot the bird easily. The bird was in the pond, so it was eating continuously and swimming all over the place. The birding, the location was awesome because we can shoot the bird very low angle and the eye level. I managed to took some of the really beautiful photographs and videos. So enjoy the video and stay tuned.